How to attach file in Gmail. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail, and once you do that, click on Compose New Email. And once you are here, in order for you to attach any kind of files to your email, you need to click on the paperclip icon at the top right corner of the screen, which will gives you two options. The first one is to attach files from your mobile device, while the second one is to insert files from Drive. So go ahead and choose whatever option suits you the best, and once you click on it, a new window will open in which you want to select the files that you want to attach to your Gmail. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can attach any kind of files to your Gmail. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.